Hello parents, I'm Lucas Gillespie, Director of Technology and Media for Surrey County Schools, and in this video I want to show you how to connect to your child's Canvas account in a few easy steps using your mobile device and the Parent mobile app by Canvas. So let's take a look at the steps. So the first thing you want to do is download the Canvas Parent app from your phone's app store. So if you are on an iPhone, you'll of course use the App Store. If you are on an Android-based phone, then you would use the Google Play Store. These steps are going to be pretty much the same regardless of what phone you're using. So what I'm going to do is go into the App Store and I'm going to do a search and I'm going to type in Canvas Parent. And when I do that and I search for that, the Canvas Parent app is going to show up. Now it's going to be the one that has the Canvas symbol and it's sort of in blue, and you would click the download button. Now I've already got it downloaded on my phone, so I'm going to skip that step. So download that app, and then when you are done, it will show up on your screen as one of your apps. So our next step is to set up the account. So to do that, you're going to open the Canvas Parent app and you're going to click Find School. When prompted, you're going to type in the district name, so Surrey County. And here you're going to see a few options. You want to select Surrey County Schools Parent Observers, and that's going to take you to our login page. The next thing you want to do is click Create Account at the bottom. Here you're going to put your full name in, type in your email. This needs to be an email that is active that you can check to verify your account, and then you're going to type in a password and then re-enter that password. And then the last thing I'm going to ask you for is a student pairing code. So let's talk about how to get one of those. There are two ways that parents can get student pairing codes. Each student has a unique code. The way that you get this is either by obtaining it from your child's teacher, or you can get it directly by looking over the shoulder of your student while they are logged into Canvas. So let's talk about those two different methods. The first way of obtaining a pairing or observer code is to get it directly from your child's teacher. Each teacher has the ability to generate these codes from their student roster inside of Canvas. This is a 6 to 7 digit code, letters and numbers, and it is case sensitive, so pay close attention to that when you get that and you're entering it in. So you will enter that in here where it says student pairing code, and then you'll click Start Participating, and then your child is connected to your account. The other way to obtain a parent observer code is directly from your child. Have your student log in to their Canvas account on a desktop or in their Chromebook, and once there, they will go to their account in the global navigations, click on Setting, and then on the right hand side, click the button that says Pair with Observer. And so here they'll have a code generated. Make sure that you put that in, make sure that you pay attention to the case. It is case sensitive, and then you will be connected to your child. So you can do it directly yourself. One thing to keep in mind with these codes is that these codes expire after 7 days. So 7 days after the teacher generates the code, or 7 days after your child generates the code and shares it with you, that code will expire. And you'll have to ask for another one if it has expired. That's a security precaution to make sure that we keep student data safe. Now that you've added a child to your parent Canvas account, they should show up here, and you'll see their name at the top. Now currently, I'm not showing any courses because we haven't done the sync yet so that those will show up, but you probably see those now listed in this space where the panda bear is. If you need to add an additional child, you can click the drop down under your child's name and click Add Student. And once again, put in the Canvas pairing code that was given to you by your child's teacher or that you got directly from your student. So let me show you just a couple things that you can do once you're inside the app. So I'm going to click the three little lines in the upper left corner, and I'm going to go to Manage Students. So here you see each of my children, and there's a little arrow out beside each of them. And let me show you some things that you can turn on and off. So once I click the little right arrow pointing to the right, I can go in and say when and for what reasons I want to get alerts. So I can set alerts for any grades that are above a certain level or any grades that are below a certain level. So let's say any grade that's below a 70, I want to know about. I can also turn on to be notified if there's an assignment missing, and any assignment grades below a certain level. So let's say I want to know if my child scores lower than a 70. Anytime there's a course announcement, I can put that in. And anytime there is an announcement from the institution or from my child's school, I can get notified for that as well. And these will show up as typical notifications on the app, just like any other app. So that's how the Parent Observer app works for Canvas. Is a fantastic tool. It's a great way to keep up with your child's progress in their classes and to establish communication about your child's success in each of their classrooms. So definitely recommend setting this up, and hope that works well for you. Thank you.